Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you will get notified when I put new content out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you here with me. So I did already have my coffee. Not moving too much today. I am so glad to be home, but I think I'm still worn out from moving back home. Got home only to find out that my phone has not been working. All of my missed calls have been going to voicemail, so Monday I have to go to the Spectrum store and see if they can fix it. I think my phone's still under warranty, so if I can't get it fixed, they should be able to just give me a new phone. So we'll see what happens. So I'm trying this video this morning. It may not load in. If it doesn't, I'll do a community post to let y'all know how I'm doing. I do have a Kroger order coming anytime. I ordered 2 cases of Ensure, one chocolate, one vanilla, so hopefully I get it. The last time I tried to order it, it didn't come in. So keep your fingers crossed that it comes in this time, because I really do need it. Last night I really didn't eat much of anything all day, and last night I suddenly got hungry, but I just didn't want to make a mess, and I didn't have enough energy to fix anything, so I just took my medicine and watched a couple movies and went to bed. So let's see, I woke up this morning. There was not much urine in my urine bag. There was maybe a tablespoon in there, and the color wasn't very good, so I'll have to let my nurse know that. And tomorrow I have a really busy day, so I need to feel better tomorrow, because I have some paperwork for my estate that I think I have to get signed that was missed with the last batch that I signed. So I have to get that done, and I have to go to the Spectrum store and get my phone fixed. My aide comes later in the day to do a shower. So that was one thing. It was so nice. This time when I was in the nursing home, I had my regular hospice aide with me 5 days a week. She wasn't there on the weekends, but she was there through the week. And I had a shower every day, except I think maybe twice, because I was really out of it and was not up to a shower, and I was having those weird dreams and not sleeping, and I just was not up to a shower those for a couple of days, but I mostly got a shower every day I was there, and that makes all the difference in the world. Even though I couldn't eat much because of my sore mouth, I was able to get a shower, and I had the same girl that I had at home taking care of me, and she does such a good job. I really like her a lot. I'm just grateful that I had such a good aide appointed to take care of me. So I'm just really happy and blessed that she's is working with me and keeping me safe and cleaned up, and my bed changed and cleaned up, and I got my washing machine fixed. One of my friends from church came over and looked at it. Come to find out, it was the button that selects the load size. Some kind of a way got turned and got stuck in between the small in between the medium load and the large load. So he managed to get it turned to the large load, which is what I usually have it set on anyway. So I did get that fixed. I love this guy so much. He's done so much for me and hasn't charged me anything. So I'm just really blessed that he's helped me out so much. So I can tell I'm getting a little tired and having to gasp for air. So I might try turning my oxygen up later and see if that makes a difference. So I will let you guys go for now. Keep your fingers crossed that the insure comes in, and because I really do need it. I need that extra protein for the days that I don't feel like cooking, so just keep your fingers crossed that comes in. Yeah, I will sign off for now, and I will see you all later. Okay, YouTube, I am back. I just got a Kroger delivery. I am so excited. I actually got my insure, so I'm drinking a carton of chocolate and half a carton of the vanilla, so it's really good. I'm just so grateful that I got it in, because the last time I didn't get it at all. They didn't have it, and I just noticed I forgot my oxygen. I can really tell because I've been busy and up and putting things away, but I just wanted to say, please keep those gift cards coming, because the insurance is expensive. It's like $36 for a case. And actually, I think it's $39. I got my order right here. Yeah, it's $36. The regular price is $39. So those coupons really do help. I was able to get my Coke Zero. They had them on sale for $12. They don't do that very often. That is a great deal. So I actually got 5 things of the Coke Zero, so I don't need to get any now for a long time. So, and I got a lot of water, and I have my insure, so I am drinking a lot. I don't think I'm going to do an actual haul because I'm just really worn out today. So I'll tell you, I got a loaf of bread. It was on, pretty much everything I got was on sale. So the bread was $1.79. I think it's usually $1.99. I got some penne rigatoni pasta. I know I butchered that. Some private selection onions and russet potatoes. I did get a bag of Tyson popcorn chicken, because days when I don't feel good, I can just pop them in the air fryer and come up with a good meal. And I got some Ziploc bags because I was pretty much out of those. And that was it. So my total, oh, I forgot I got spaghetti and peanut butter, because those were all on the 5 for $5 deal, so I actually did pretty good. My item total was $161.92. Coupon and sales took off $39.03. Coupons came to $20, and they took the delivery fee off because I paid for the Kroger Boost, since I can't go to an actual store down here in Florida. So yeah, the total before taking off all the the coupons and sales was $161.92. My total after taking all the stuff off was $104.77. So that's a pretty big savings. So I used 2 of my gift cards, and my total savings was $68.98. So yes, please keep those gift cards coming. I do need the intro really bad. So that's mostly what I will get with those gift cards, unless I need to fill in any perishable items like bread and milk and that kind of stuff. So I will sign off for now. I will go ahead and get this uploaded. I know I'm kind of gasping for air. I got to get my oxygen TV back on. So I will sign off by saying be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.